Hi guys, so today I'm installing this 24-inch DeepWave wig by Unice. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video. So this is what the hair is looking like, freshly washed. I also went ahead and dyed this wig off camera jet black, so that is not the natural hair color of this hair. It came in like a 1B color, so I'm just showing you guys how I go ahead and put it on. It did have clips on the inside, but I decided that I will be wearing this hair for a few days, so for a little bit of extra security I went ahead and sewed it down, which you guys will see in the next few clips.
You could be down for, 'cause when I look at you I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. Now we're together.
So as I mentioned beforehand in the beginning of this video, the hair was freshly washed, but I wanted to go ahead and use my diffuser and go ahead and dry the hair just a little bit more. I do kind of like the wet look, but for this video, for the video's sake, I wanted to go ahead and dry it since it'll be a little bit more easier to blend with my hair. Once it is, I want to say like 90 to 100% dry. As far as the construction of this wig, like I said, it does come with clips on the inside, and honestly when I first put the wig on, it didn't fit too big or too small. Honestly, it fit my head really perfectly, even though I do have a smaller head, or tend to be on the smaller head size. So yeah, in these next few clips you guys are just going to be seeing me diffuse my hair. So in these next few clips, you guys are just going to be seeing me blend my leave out at the top. I'm not going to lie, when I first got this wig, I was a little bit worried about how I was going to blend it with my hair, since my hair is a little bit short at the top. I did see this one girl, she went ahead and did like a wand curl, but I was like, I kind of want to keep the curls the way that they are and still blend it, and I really didn't want to do a leave out. So what did I end up doing, which you guys will see in these next few clips? I went ahead and straightened my hair at the top, and then I straightened a little bit of the wig at the top as well. I feel like this only works for my hair because my hair is short, so if you do have longer hair, honestly I would recommend braiding your hair at the top to make it blend a little bit more. I feel like, yeah, I can get away with this since my hair is short, but yeah, if your hair is long, go ahead and braid it. I feel like that would probably be the best option in regards to making it blend. But as you guys can see, it ended up working beautifully, which I was so surprised because I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna get this to blend, but in the end, you guys, it ended up working all well. I also went in with a edge stick, which you guys will see later on, which made it blend even more.
Down with you, no matter time, it's true. I
And that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you, Unice, for sponsoring this video.